Hi, welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how easy it is to make a mistake once we think that we know everything, and sometimes easy tasks looks easy until we are making mistakes. So today I will show you easy task and how I got caught off guard. Let's see that. The task in hand is to add vmkernel for vMotion, but the catch is that they want to have on separate virtual switch. So let's do this. Let's click on the Add Network and we go for vmkernel. We will choose the new switch and we click next, and now they want this to be on vmnik 1. So I just highlight vmnik 1, click next, and I was welcomed with this warning, physical network adapter warning. There are no active physical network adapter for the switch. Click OK to continue or cancel. So I click OK, and I went through the settings. I will show you that. So let's click next. We can leave this because I want to just show you how bad it was. So I click next, I finished. And we got a new vSwitch, however, no physical adapters. And this was the warning about this, no physical adapters. And I said to myself, how come I saw the list of at least 6 or 7 adapters? And this task was a failure, okay? So I will show you now how to do this properly. So let's remove that switch. And you will see that the resolution is very easy. And sometimes you have to just stop and read the task and do it again. So let's start from the scratch. We go Add Network, we go for vmkernel network adapter, we choose a new switch, and now we choose vmnik 1. However, we need to move it down to active adapters. Yeah, can you see this now? Now click next. And let's add a label for vMotion. And now we can click vMotion over here. However, I want to show you something. If we go for TCP/IP stack, we can choose vMotion from here. And then we see that every else is grayed out and vMotion is checked. Both ways are acceptable. However, this is like by the book. So let's click next. Now I want to use a specific IP, which I need to just glance very quickly. And the network is 24 network mask. So it's 255, 255, 255, and 0. And we don't want to override default gateway, so we click next. Summarize page, and we click finish. And now we can see we have vSwitch 1, so new virtual switch, standard switch, and we have a vMotion connection. You see, the physical adapter is active. Okay, guys, so this was how to add a virtual switch, vMware network on the physical adapter. I hope this was informative. leave a like, click subscribe button, leave a comment. Let's discuss that in the comment section. Okay, see you in the next video. Bye.